Ever wondered what the Central Administrative Tribunal, commonly known as the CAT, is and what it does? Well, let's dive right in. The CAT is a specialized body, instituted under Article 323A of the Constitution of India. Now, you might be asking, what's its purpose? It's quite simple. The CAT is tasked with adjudicating disputes and complaints pertaining to the recruitment and conditions of service of persons appointed to public services and posts. These can involve matters connected with the affairs of the union or other authorities under the control of the government. Essentially, if there's a dispute or complaint related to the recruitment or service conditions of a public servant, the CAT is where it's addressed. So, the CAT is a specialized body dealing with disputes arising from recruitment and conditions of service of public servants. Now that we know what CAT is, let's delve deeper into its composition. The Central Administrative Tribunal, or CAT, is structured in a way that ensures a balance of judicial and administrative perspectives. Each bench of the CAT comprises 2 members, one judicial and one administrative. This duality enhances the tribunal's ability to handle the broad spectrum of cases that come before it. The CAT isn't confined to just one location. It has a wide presence across India, with 17 benches and an additional 21 circuit benches. This expansive network ensures that the tribunal's services are accessible to individuals and organizations nationwide. Now, what about the people who hold these positions within the CAT? The conditions of service for the chairman and members of the CAT are on par with those of a judge of the High Court. This means that the individuals who serve in these roles are seasoned professionals, equipped with the knowledge and experience necessary to make fair and informed decisions. The CAT's composition is not by chance, but by design. This design ensures that the tribunal is well equipped to perform its mandate, to adjudicate disputes and complaints relating to the recruitment and conditions of service of persons appointed to public services and posts. In essence, the CAT is a well-structured body designed to handle specific types of disputes. Understanding the powers of CAT gives us a clearer picture of its role and functions. The Central Administrative Tribunal, or CAT, is a powerful body that operates within a specific jurisdiction. Its mandate is to adjudicate disputes and complaints linked to the recruitment and service conditions of persons appointed to public services and posts connected to the affairs of the union or other authorities under government control. The CAT exercises jurisdiction only in relation to the service matters of the parties covered by the Administrative Tribunals Act of 1985. This means the CAT is specialized in dealing with service-related disputes, making it a go-to for public servants seeking redress for grievances linked to their employment. One of the key principles guiding the CAT in its decision-making process is the principles of natural justice. These principles ensure fairness and transparency, dictating that no person should be judged without a fair hearing and that no person should be a judge in his or her own case. What sets CAT apart from other tribunals or courts is its procedural autonomy. The CAT is not bound by the procedure prescribed by the Civil Procedure Code, which governs the conduct of civil cases in India. Instead, CAT is empowered to frame its own rules of procedure and practice. This gives it the flexibility to adapt and respond to the specific needs and complexities of the cases it handles, ensuring a more efficient resolution of disputes. Another significant power vested in the CAT is its authority to deal with contempt of itself. This means the CAT has the power to punish actions that disrespect its authority or undermine the dignity of the tribunal. In this regard, CAT exercises the same jurisdiction and authority as a high court, reinforcing its status as a formidable judicial body. Thus, the CAT holds significant powers in resolving service-related disputes, all while adhering to the principles of natural justice. Let's recap what we've learned about the Central Administrative Tribunal. The Central Administrative Tribunal, or CAT, was established under Article 323A of the Indian Constitution. Its mandate is to adjudicate disputes and complaints with respect to the recruitment and conditions of service of persons appointed to public services and posts in connection with the affairs of the union or other authorities under the control of the government. This means that if an individual has a grievance related to their job in a government post or public service, the CAT is the institution they turn to for justice. Over time, the government has notified about 214 organizations to come under the jurisdiction of the CAT. This wide net ensures that a significant portion of public servants have a dedicated institution to address their concerns. In terms of composition, a bench of the CAT consists of 1 judicial member and 1 administrative member. There are 17 benches and 21 circuit benches in the CAT all over India. This structure allows for a balanced perspective in decision-making, combining both judicial and administrative expertise. The conditions of service of the chairman and members of CAT are the same as applicable to a judge of High Court. This equality underlines the importance and respect accorded to the CAT's role in the administrative justice system. Now let's talk about the CAT's powers. It exercises jurisdiction only in relation to the service matters of the parties covered by the Administrative Tribunals Act of 1985. The tribunal is guided by the principles of natural justice in deciding cases and is not bound by the procedure prescribed by the Civil Procedure Code. This means that while the CAT is a formal institution, it has the flexibility to adapt its procedures to best serve justice. It is empowered to frame its own rules of procedure and practice. Moreover, it has been conferred with the power to exercise the same jurisdiction and authority in respect of contempt of itself as a high court. This autonomy in framing its own rules and holding parties in contempt reinforces the CAT's authority and effectiveness. In conclusion, the Central Administrative Tribunal plays a pivotal role in India's administrative justice system. It serves as a dedicated institution for public servants to seek redress for their grievances, providing a critical balance between the government and its employees. So, next time someone mentions the CAT, you'll know it's more than just a feline reference. It's a vital institution ensuring justice in public service matters.